Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in my daughter's house, in my daughter's kitchen. Her and her husband are off to attend their neighbour's wedding, so congratulations to Hannah and Callum. But today I have bought the cheapest digital air fryer I could find on Amazon. £36.99. It's the Keplin 4.5 litre air fryer. It's got 8 functions. It can grill, roast, fry and bake. Comes with a 2-year guarantee. £36.99 on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. Let's get it open. So let's get the box open. As I said, I'll put the link down in the description. But we shall get this open and have a look and see what you get for £36.99. It's 4.5 litres, so it's quite large really for the price. There were some cheaper ones on Amazon for £25, but they didn't come with the digital display, which I'd much prefer. So we have an instruction manual, a quick reference guide, put those to the side. We've got a crisper plate here, okay. And then we'll get rid of all this packaging, all cardboard, which is really good. Well, there is some plastic bagging. Let's get the air fryer out. It's quite compact. It's quite a compact air fryer. Let's just make some room for it. Wow, okay. That's not going to take up much counter space. Let's get rid of the box. And we are left with the Keplin 4.5 litre air fryer. We've got some tape here holding the drawer in place. Let's get rid of that. And there's the basket. According to the description on Amazon, it's all non-stick. Let's get that crisper plate. And let's put that inside the basket. Okay. Looks good. What we're going to do today is I bought some frozen French fries and we're going to use the fries setting and see how well it copes. So we do have the quick reference guide. You can either use the preset functions for fries, fish, chicken, pizza, that sort of stuff, or you can do it all manually, selecting the temperature and the time. But we're today going to try it out just on the fry setting. Obviously it's got a guide on safety and how to clean the air fryer. There we go. So we do have the steak, chicken, seafood, fish, pizza, fries, bake and vegetable settings. The 8 functions. We're going to be using the fries, as I said. Now I do have quite a few air fryers at home. I do have the Flex Draw air fryer, the Health Grill air fryer, also the slow cooker / air fryer, and my daughter has the Ninja stackable double stack Pro air fryer. But we're going to see whether this £36.99 Amazon air fryer is any good. And here are the frozen fries that we're going to be air frying today. So let's turn them on. You have to hold it in, okay. Now you could obviously set your temperatures and your timer automatically. I'm going to click this one over to fries. And there we go. It's automatically done 200 degrees for 18 minutes. Now it does say on the back of these, only air fry for 10 to 12 minutes at 200 degrees, but these are the very thin French fries, so we're just going to go for it. Let's take out the tray and let's chuck some fries in. There we go. That should do it. Well, I noticed the display went off then, didn't it, when we took out the... There we go. Back over to fries. First time I've ever used it. I'm assuming we push that's it. So let's see how well it cooks some French fries. I must say it's actually quite quiet compared to my Ninja air fryers. If you like the video so far, why not hit that like button, leave any comments down below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more future content, and if you really would like to support the channel, there's a super thanks button, or why don't you become a member? £1.99 a month and you'll get early access to new videos, members only shorts, badges, that sort of stuff. I really would appreciate it, and it would help to keep the channel going. I like the way the air fryer flickers between the temperature and the time left. Quite a good little visual display there, quite bright. But yes, it's a very compact air fryer. Doesn't really take up much counter space, as you can see, and yeah, quite quiet as well. So it's been 5 to 6 minutes. Let's pull out the drawer and give them a shake. And in back they go. Will it carry on its own? Yes, it will. If this little air fryer is any good, I think I might be using this for my videos a lot more, because as you all know, if you own an air fryer, they do get a bit grubby after a while, no matter how hard you clean them. And if I keep this little one for my cooking videos. So while it's cooking, let's try something. Now let's see if I wanted to adjust the temperature. Could I do that on the fly in 5-degree increments? Let's see if that would just... Yes, it's done it on the fly, which is great. Let's put it back to 200. There we go. Oh, I've just increased the time, haven't I? Oh no, I haven't. 200. Oh, so it actually alters whatever you were on. So it was on 11 seconds. So let's put it back onto that. Let's see how high it goes. Well, I think because we're on the fries function, it won't go above 200. That's fine. But it's good that you can adjust it on the fly. I do have the extraction hood above the hob on, but even with that on, it's quite quiet. You know, it's some of the air fryers I've got, God, they like a jet engine taking off. Okay, so it's been about 11 minutes now. Let's give it another shake. Oh, you can see them browning off a bit there now. And you can hear they're a bit more crunchy. Let's get them back in. So, how are we doing? We are now on the 5-minute mark, so I think we started at 18, didn't we? So that's been 13 minutes. Now the instructions on the packet said 10 to 12 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade. And these have been in now for 13 minutes, so let's see how they're done. Wow, they actually look pretty good. Very crispy. Let's give one a little try. Very crispy. Let's get them in a bowl. Yep, I reckon they are perfect. They are perfect. A couple have fallen through the little crisper plate there, but they are very thin fries, so we'll have to forgive them. Let's put that back in there. And let's try these fries. And here we are. Our £36.99 cheapest digital air fryer I could find on Amazon. We've done the fries here. I've got some salt on them. Perfect. Shouldn't talk with my mouth full. Sorry. But I'm going to be using this a lot more. Could definitely recommend it. As I said, quite small. No heat on the handle. Quite cool. £36.99. I don't think you can really go far wrong with that, can you? I'll put the link in the description. So as I said, if you like the video, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. I'll be doing a series very soon, Can You Air Fry? And I'll be starting off with Pop-Tarts. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.